What's up, guys? I ended up ordering the HPS short ram cold air intake. It sounds the same as the Takeda from what I could tell. It's a little bit cheaper, and then also got this really pretty red finish on it. So I'm gonna go install it, and then I'll show you all after, and then also have a clip of before and after the sound. So see ya. What's up, guys? I finished installing the exhaust. My roommate helped me out, so it went by a little bit faster than it probably would have been myself. Sounds really good. I didn't get a video before with the hood open to being outside the car, but basically it sounds like it's like a roar now instead of like a growl, I guess. That'd be a good explanation. It looks really good. I didn't really feel a difference. I mean, I probably need to like try it more. Yeah, overall I'm happy I did it. I also got another clip of the exhaust, a better angle than I did the first time in the last video, so I'm gonna play that right after this. But next up things I'm gonna be doing is tinting the brake lights and painting my calipers, so I guess wait for that video. It should be coming out in a couple weeks. So yeah, see ya.